Hello everyone. So today's topic is famous women in India. During British Raj, many reformers such as Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar had fought for the betterment of women. Women today have begun realizing their strength and abilities and are ready to step out of their homes, contributing to the success of their home and entire society. Women are reaching great heights and even traveling to space. Women in India now participate fully in areas such as education, sports, politics, media, art and culture, science and technology, etc. Indira Gandhi, who served as Prime Minister of India for an aggregate period of 15 years, is the world's largest serving woman Prime Minister. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi became the first woman physician in the year 1887. She was the first Indian woman who was trained in Western medicine. Roshni Sharma. Recently, she became the first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Mother Teresa. She became the first Indian woman to win the Nobel Prize in 1979. Pratibha Patil became the first woman president of India. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who reached space. Kiran Bedi. She became the first woman officer in India. Next we have Sania Mirza, a professional tennis player. She became the first Indian woman to win the Women Tennis Association title in 2005.